All right, guys, welcome back to the shed. We're gonna hang pegboards up today and get this place looking right for 2026. So I'm just gonna line it all the way up. Probably do that whole wall right here, and then I'll probably do some more of this wall, maybe halfway down. I'm also thinking about adding some slat plating or slat walling uh, on the other side as well, just in case I need it. Never know. What, baby? What I'm trying to do there is I'm trying to get it set up to where I can get the other screw in it so it'll hold it a little bit better.
Hey, Daddy.
All right, guys, as you can see, we're done with the pegboards here. What else should we do to this garage? We have this. This is for my fishing rods. It's a fishing stand. It's got my bucket and all that stuff. Up here, all my tackle. Get your dough baits, or this is soft plastics. This is dough baits. I got this up here for chum, actually, for when I go sea fishing. Um, Down here, I have like my weights. This is my big weight thing. I got it from like Harbor Freight for like $5. It's got all my lead weights in it. And then set line stuff for bank line and set lining. And then just some generic tackle boxes that I have filled up throughout the years.